Good day everyone. This question is suggested by one of our viewers. So let's start. Here's the question. The arc of a bridge is in the shape of semi-ellipse with its major axis at the water level. Suppose the arc is 20 feet high in the middle and 120 feet across its major axis. The question is, how high above the water level is the arc at a point 20 feet from the center? Also, round up your answer into 2 decimal places. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. I hope you paused this video, and let's see if your answer is correct. Now, first thing to do is to make an illustration of this scenario. The question is, the arc of the bridge is in the shape of semi-ellipse, with its major axis at the water level. So let's start with a horizontal line, and we need to draw an ellipse. Next, suppose the arc is 20 feet high in the middle and 120 feet across its major axis. So we have 20 feet high and 120 feet across. Now wait a second, where's the bridge? So this is an easy question if we know what we're doing. So at this point, the bridge looks like this. So this is the semi-elliptical arc, and on the top, that's the bridge. Alright, now let's continue. Suppose that this horizontal line and the vertical line be our x-axis and y-axis. Therefore, their intersection must be the origin. Now on the x-axis, we have negative 60 and positive 60 because its distance is 120 feet. Also, on the y-axis, this is 20. Now at this point, we are now ready to find the equation of this ellipse. So the general form of this ellipse must be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. Notice that a squared is in the denominator of x squared because our ellipse is horizontally stretched. Now if our ellipse is vertically stretched, this a squared must be placed on the denominator of y squared. Now let's continue. We know that the value of a is the distance from the center up to the vertex. So at this point, a is equal to 60 and b is the distance from the center to its co-vertex. So therefore, b is equal to 20. Now substitute the value of a and b to our equation and we have x squared over 3600 plus y squared over 400 equals 1. Now, this is the equation of this ellipse. Now, at this point, we can now answer the question. So, the question is, how high above the water level is the arc at a point 20 feet from the center? Now, from the center, we need to make 20 feet. So, we have from the center up to this point, we have 20. And our goal is what is the height of the arc from this position. Now, let's call this height be equal to h. And consider this point on the ellipse be equal to 20, h. Now, to solve for h, let 20, h be equal to x, y. Now, substitute these values to our equation and solve for h. Now, if we do that, we get 20 squared, or simply the x-coordinate must be 20, so we have 20 squared over 3600 plus y becomes h, so we have h squared over 400 equals 1. Now simplify, 20 squared is 400, 400 over 3600 will give us 1 over 9, so we have 1 over 9 plus h squared over 400 equals 1. Now subtract 1 over 9 both sides, and we get h squared over 400 equals 8 over 9. Next, multiply 400 both sides, we get h squared equals 3200 all over 9. Now, to solve for the value of h, square root both sides, and we get h equals 40 square root of 2 over 3. Therefore, this is the height of the arc at a point 20 feet from the center, or approximately 18.86. And don't forget the unit, we have feet. And this is our answer, and we're done.